Once again, Artos Engineering, the first name in affordable wire processing, brings you a breakthrough in affordable automatic crimping technology, the Cr-11 automatic wire processor. Ideal for low-volume runs and a high mix of wire types, the Cr-11 provides the performance you need for thousands of dollars less than the competition. The Cr-11 is powered by a single-phase 220-volt supply, and its use of digital servo drive technology reduces energy consumption versus comparable stepper motor designs. You'll have easy access to the Cr-11 due to our open design, yet still be protected by our uniquely designed molded safety shield. The patented wire feed system feeds wire at rates of up to 5 meters per second. The servo closed loop system checks wire length while feeding to ensure quality. Optional rollers are available for thin insulations, and the quick change wire guides increase speed and performance. The proprietary gripper design has only 3 moving parts, increasing operating and production efficiency. The Cr-11's large cylinder provides exceptionally high gripping force for thicker gauge wires. And the unit's level placement of the wire into terminals dramatically improves crimping process quality. The inline blades of the Cr-11's unique cutter head design reduce the gap between wire grippers, allowing for better wire handling. The cutter head also provides a significant increase in strip length capability. The new Tu-11 crimping unit features programmable speed and stroke, allowing for easy adjustability to optimize performance. The programmable split-cycle operation handles the widest range of applications, including closed barrel terminals. Our unique tool card quick change system accommodates both side and end feed terminals and lets you quickly preload reels to maximize machine uptime. It even allows for easy transport and storage of reels and applicators. The Cr-11 can batch and collect a wide range of wires at low volume runs, making it a cost-effective automatic crimping solution for virtually any size business. The Cr-11 PC interface runs Artos Unity operating software, allowing you to share wire programs from machine to machine. When it comes to quality control, the optional micrometer and pull testers can be added to verify crimping parameters. These integrated devices require the operator to verify setup before production can begin. This pre-run setup saves you time, resources, and money. The Cr-11 automatic crimping machine, the perfect solution for companies seeking an automatic crimping solution for production of low volume and high mix applications. Only from Artos, the first name in affordable wire processing.